Hello everybody. I am going to talk about chemistry. When we talk about chemistry, acid, bases and salts, they are the basic thing of chemistry. The term acid has been from Latin word acidus, which means sour. Large number of fruits and vegetables have a sour taste. The sour taste of lemon due to citric acid, the sour taste of grapes or turmeric due to the tartaric acid, and the vinegar is due to acetic acid. Formic acid is present in the sting of brown ants. The sharp pain caused by the sting of an ant, beetles and bees is due to formic acid, which is pushed to our body. Vitamin C is an ascorbic acid present in fruit. When we talk about acid, basicity of acid. Basicity of acid definition. The number of hydrogen ions H plus furnished by one molecule of an acid on dissolving in water is called basicity of acid. Example, hydrochloric acid furnishes one hydrogen ion. Hydrochloric acid is a monobasic acid. The classification of acid. Acid contains two, organic acid, inorganic acid. Based on a type of element on an organic. Oxyacid, hydroacid. Based on a type of an element in organic acid. Inorganic acid as based on a type of elements. Oxyacid, hydroacids. Based on concentration. Concentration acid, dilute acid. Based on strength. Strong acid, weak acid. Organic acid. The acid obtained from the plants or animals are called organic acid. These are naturally occurring. Some of them can be prepared artificially in laboratory. Following are examples of organic acid. Acetic acid. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Its formula is CH3, COOH. It is generally prepared from alcohol. Aspartic acid. Lemons contain a large amount of aspartic acid. It is commonly called vitamin C. Citric acid. Lemons and oranges contain a large amount of citric acid. It is used for making soft drinks such as Limca. It is found in malic acid. Apple contains malic acid. Tartaric acid. Grapes contain tartaric acid. Lactic acid. Milk and curd contains lactic acid. Palmitic acid. Palm oil usually contains palmitic acid. Stearic acid. Mustard oil contains more stearic acid. Now we are going to see about inorganic acids. Definition of inorganic acids which are obtained from the minerals present in the earth are called inorganic acids. The inorganic acids further subdivided into two acids. They are called strong acids, weak acids. Strong acids. The acid is which more than 30% of molecules of it ionize in the water to furnish H plus ions are called strong acids. They do not affect phenolphthalein solution. Strong acid corrosive action on skin. They cause painful blisters. Most of the acid are soluble in water. Weak acids. The weak acids in which less than 30% of the molecules of it ionize in water to furnish H plus ions are called weak acids. It is useful to remember that all organic acids are weak acids. The strong acids are called mostly oil of vitriol due to its oily appearance. This term was coined by an Iranian alchemist, Jabir ibn Jayan, in 8th century.